Today, I'm sharing my experience using 8B Website Builder. Links to 8B and related resources are below. 8B is a lightweight, user-friendly website builder perfect for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses needing a fast, simple website. It prioritizes ease of use and accessibility, making it great for beginners. 8B features drag-and-drop functionality and a sleek modern interface. Choose from various pre-designed, mobile-optimized templates for businesses, portfolios, events, and more. Customize text, images, and layout with just a few clicks. 8B also supports progressive web apps, letting you convert your site into a mobile app. A free plan offers a subdomain and basic features, perfect for personal projects. Upgrading unlocks custom domains, priority support, and removes 8B branding. Basic SEO tools and SSL security are included. While 8B excels at simplicity and speed, customization is more limited than builders like Wix or Squarespace. It lacks advanced e-commerce or deep design control, which might be a drawback for complex needs. Overall, 8B is a straightforward, efficient builder for users who value simplicity and need a fast way to create a clean, modern online presence. Perfect for personal portfolios, small business sites, or event pages, 8B offers a no-fuss solution at an affordable price. Check the links below to learn more and explore 8B. This review should help you decide if 8B is right for you.